In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect the Galaxy Buds Pro with a Windows 10 laptop. All right, so be sure your Windows 10 laptop has a functioning Bluetooth adapter. And on top of that, be sure that your Galaxy Buds Pro is not already connected to your phone or someone else's phone or another Bluetooth capable device, because that's going to cause conflict when trying to connect them to your Windows 10 laptop. So with all that said and done, let's go ahead and get started. Now, the first thing you want to do is go into the startup menu of your Windows 10 laptop. So click here, then go to where it says settings. And when you click on settings, this window will pop up. And you want to go to where it says devices right there. So go to devices, click on that. And as you click on it, you will see this window will show up where it says Bluetooth and other devices. And you're going to click on the on and off switch right here. So click on that. And now your Bluetooth settings is enabled. And the next step you want to do is go to the very top where it says add Bluetooth or other device. So click on that. And now this black window will open up and you'll see where it says Bluetooth. Click on that option, the first one. And now it's going to start searching for nearby capable Bluetooth devices. You'll see those little dots to the top going across. Next up, you're going to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Buds Pro. And just give it a few seconds as it should show up right there where it is searching. You'll see it, that right there. So you'll see Galaxy Buds Pro. And when you see it, go ahead and click on it. And as you click on it, it's going to start running the connection process for you automatically. Now, just keep in mind that for some Windows 10 computers, there is going to have a message that will appear to the bottom right that says we're setting up your device. So you'll see that right there. So pay attention to that. And if it doesn't show that for you, don't worry. That's just how it is. Some computers will and sometimes it will not. All right. And just wait for it to say your device is ready to use. So give that a few seconds, that right there. And once all that has been set and done, just go ahead and click on done. Your Buds Pro should be connected. You'll see it in the audio section. And now it's time to show you how to toggle between having the laptop send the audio or the audio coming out of the Galaxy Buds Pro. So if you go down to the bottom right where the volume icon is, you can click on that. And as you click on that, you'll see the volume show up here. And there's a menu right there. You click on that. And as you click on that menu here, it's going to pop up and you'll see the option to toggle between the Buds Pro or the laptop speakers. So you can choose whether the audio output comes out from the Buds Pro or the laptop speaker. If that doesn't work for you, you can click right there in the search bar here and type in these two words, sound settings. And when you see sound settings, just go ahead and click on it. And then it'll take you to the output and input section. So the first drop down menu is the output. And this is basically the same thing where the volume icon is, except if you don't see it there, you can come right here in this section here, the sound settings, and choose whether the sound comes out of the Galaxy Buds Pro or the laptop speaker. And now for the mic now, some programs will allow the Buds Pro to use the mic, and you can toggle with the input here, choose whether the Buds Pro will be the mic or the laptop's mic will be in use. Okay, and just keep in mind the quality will not be the greatest out there. I've tried that with Microsoft Teams and it was not the best experience, but it does work. And other than that, do hit that like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new to my channel, and thanks for watching.